What if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing? That you could begin building wealth today. With as little as $5. Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, the sooner you start, the sooner your money starts working for you. In this video, I'll show you how to start investing with little money, step by step, even if you're broke, on a tight budget, or just getting started. Stick around, because this could be the most important 10 minutes you spend on your financial future. Before we dive in, if you're serious about growing wealth from scratch, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We drop real, practical strategies every week for beginners just like you. Part 1. The power of starting small. One of the biggest lies about investing is, you need a lot of money to start. Wrong. Let me introduce you to compound interest, the concept that makes small amounts grow big over time. Let's say you invest just $25 a week. That's $100 a month. If your investments earn an average of 8% per year, which is typical for the stock market, in 30 years, you'd have over $140,000, and that's from just $25 a week. So don't wait to have more money. Start with what you have. Part 2. Where to start investing with little money. Okay, so where do you actually invest? Let's break it down. 1. Micro-investing apps. Use platforms like Acorns, Stash, or Robinhood. These let you start with as little as $5, buying fractional shares of companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. 2. Index funds and ETFs. These are like bundles of stocks, super safe for beginners. Check out Vanguard Total Stock Market, ETF VT or S&P 500 ETFs like SPY. They're diversified, low-cost, and historically profitable. 3. Your employer's 401k. If your job offers a 401k and matches your contributions, always take full advantage. That's free money. 4. Roth IRA. This is a tax-free retirement account. You can invest up to $7,000 a year in 2025, and the money grows tax-free. Even if you only contribute $50 a month, it adds up fast. Part 3. Setting a simple plan. Now let's set your plan. Keep it simple. Step 1. Open an account. Use an app like Robinhood, One Finance, or Fidelity. Step 2. Automate your investments. $10, $25, or $50 every week or month. Step 3. Choose low-fee index funds or ETFs. Don't try to pick the next big stock. Step 4. Leave it alone. Investing is not gambling. You're in this for the long haul. Part 4. Mindset shifts. Here's where most people get it wrong. They think, I'll start investing when I have more money. But that's backwards. You'll only have more money because you started investing. It's not about how much you invest. It's about how long your money has to grow. Time is the biggest wealth multiplier, not income. So even if you're on minimum wage, in college, or just starting your first job, this is your moment. Part 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these rookie mistakes. Waiting for the perfect time. There is none. Start now. Panic selling during market drops. The market always bounces back. Putting all your money in crypto or meme stocks. Keep it balanced and boring. Boring builds wealth. Not tracking your progress. Use apps or spreadsheets to stay consistent. So, can you really build wealth with little money? Absolutely. Start with $5. Stay consistent. Think long-term. You don't need to be rich to invest, but you do need to invest to become rich. Your first dollar matters more than your thousandth, because it starts your journey. Drop a comment. I'm starting with $_ this month. Let's keep each other accountable. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Start now. Your future self will thank you.